Yo, Wincrease team, what's going on? It is Saturday, July 24th, 2021. The market is officially closed, and we're about to see how the market performed this week. So let's go to those charts. First chart we look at is the S&P. Now, before I start, I have to do a shameless plug, only because I'm terrible at this thing. If you like what you hear, make sure that you hit like, hit subscribe, share. Sharing is caring. It helps me out a whole lot. So if you can, please do so. S&P closed at 44.11.79. Record high is 44.15.18. And as always, if the market closes near the highs, chances are it will continue. So with that being, close to $4 to its high, chances for next week are going to be on the high side for this to continue on. Let's zoom in and see what we have. Remember, last week we looked at this and we saw the beautiful trend of the market continue to move higher, and it did not fail us this week at all. It continued and it was near those highs. The only thing I'm concerned is the week before we had the hammer candle, but I said that we need confirmation anyway for that to give us any warning signals, and we did not have that confirmation. This week we have an outside day formation, which is also a potential signal for some type of trend slowdown, but we need confirmation for that as well. Anytime you see a signal, you need confirmation for that signal in order for it to be verified. If you do not have it, then chances are it is a bullish continuation signal. And for the moment, that's exactly what I see. The market is not flashing anything. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Keep it simple. The S&P target still is 4,500. We're going to move along from the S&P and we're going to go to the Russell, ticker IWM. IWM closed at 219.55. Record high is still the same, 234.53. And last week we looked at things. We said, we were below 220, and miraculously, let's zoom in, we pointed out that we've had one bounce, two bounce, third bounce here, and then I had pointed out the fourth, and it bounced off of that 210 area. That's a semi-good signal here. We're still below 220. And I want to see if we can have any continuation next week to get back over that hump and see if it can push back higher. So that 210 support was solid for this week. And we have our 20-day moving average, or this is a 50-day, 50-day moving average, still pushing higher. So we have some rescue to come and help lift this price up if it needs some help. So we have some good vibes here, some good motion going on for pricing with IWM. I'm still looking to see if this can get out of 220, 230 area and finally start making its move towards a target that I've set at 250. And that is it for this week. Make sure that you, like I said, hit like, subscribe, and if you can, share, because it helps me out. Check out my boys Marathon Money every single week, and I'm going to do my recording for the next podcast. And if you haven't checked that out, Stocks and Bars podcast every single month. And I want you to enjoy your life. Your time is valuable. Take care of your time. We only have so much of it. Make sure you make the best of it. And we'll catch you later, all right? Peace.